Cringy, appalling, abominable. Simply the impulsive reaction upon sight of the Redemptorist water channel in Baclaran that is practically turned into a sea of rubbish and debris. And though joint efforts of the DPWH, MMDA, and the Parañaque LGU will take it out eventually, a complete change of heart and mind among Metro Manila residents in their garbage disposal is the only way to keep the waterway free-flowing and the flash floods gutter high. Our J.M. Thompson tells us more.
This Redemptorist water channel in Barangay Baclaran, Parañaque City has turned into a sea of trash. Tons of garbage accumulated and washed ashore following continuous rain in Metro Manila caused by the southwest monsoon this past week.
Actually, itong channel na to, hindi ko natural ito. Kumbaga man-made channel ito, boundary ng Pasay and Parañaque. So, matagal na kami naglilinis dito sa Parañaque. First time ko lang nagulat lang kami kahapon na talagang ang basura grabe ito nilada.
Various types of trash were trapped in the water channel from different areas inside and outside of Metro Manila. Because of this, the DPWH, MMDA, and Parañaque City LGU are working intensively to remove the...
Ako, sasabihin ko na garbage crisis na talaga to. And paulit-ulit naman natin sinasabi nung sinumulan natin itong Oplan Kontrabaha na yung basura talaga is one major factor sa pagkaklag ng mga waterways natin.
According to Secretary Vince Dizon, as the population in Metro Manila grows, trash increases as well, making it a major cause of flooding. He added that when the DPWH and MMDA clean up, the waterways are full of trash again after just one day.
Una, I think we really need everyone to come in and do their share. Kailangan talaga nananawagan tayo paulit-ulit sa mga LGUs natin, sa mga kababayan natin na kailangan talaga medyo mas maging madisiplina tayo sa pagtatapon ng basura. Pero kailangan na rin talaga natin tingin ko ng overall master plan to address the garbage crisis.
They are not stopping the cleanup of waterways, the operation of pumping stations, and the improvement of drainage systems to reduce flooding. But Dizon insists that the country will struggle to combat flooding if our fellow citizens do not exercise discipline in garbage disposal.
Matagal nang sinasabi ng Pangulo natin na kailangan na talaga ng malakihang solusyon dito, and ini-explore ng Pangulo yung pagkakaroon ng mga waste to energy facilities para kamukha ng ibang mga bansa, susunugin na lang natin ito lahat. Pero susunugin natin ng maayos at malinis. Nakikipag-usap na ang Pangulo sa private sector kasi malaki ang investment yan. Pero tingin ko, once and for all, kailangan gawin na yun. Sabi nga ni Pangulo, masyadong matagal nang inuupuan yung mga ganitong klaseng mga solusyon at desisyon. Kailangan masimulan na yan.
Government agencies will finish cleaning the water channel as soon as possible to prevent trash from washing into smaller waterways to avoid flooding, especially this rainy season. J.M. Thompson for The Nation.